Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make logo in Canva. So search any logo. Here are a lot of template about logo. You see that? There are many type of logos. This logo or create. Click on the customize. You see that we can easily create logo in our choice. Hello world. And here we type software agency. We can change its color. For example, we will change its red color, and we can also change its background color from black. I think it is decent. So it is very easy to create a logo in Canva. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.